One thing is certain for 2018, and that is Ferrari are not afraid of really pushing the boundaries. Proof of this mandate is evidenced by paddock suspicions of integrated dual-aero development with Haas, sharing wind tunnel data beyond what is allowed. Couple with keeping their oil burning allocation set to the limit with zero tolerance for any accidental overburn, the questionable aero bias halo-mounted rear-view mirrors that Charlie Whiting is set to make a clarification on. Ferrari 2018 seems more like Ferrari under Ross Brawn 15 years ago. According to Germany's AMS, the latest suspicions are pointed at again the oil usage in the Ferrari car, with a separate oil circuit not measured as part of their 0.6 L per 100 km allocation. Ferrari may well argue this is not part of the engine, being attached to the turbocharger, therefore not under the same regulation. A gray area in the regulations for sure. More serious is the likely request by teams for clarification before Monaco on Ferrari's electrical power distribution. It is suspected that Ferrari are bypassing the measuring sensor periodically, allowing more than the regulated 4 megajoules to be used. This can be achieved by manipulating the electrical resistance in the lines and 2 outputs from the battery. According to experts, if this was the case, then in the qualifying rounds Ferrari would have 20 horsepower more than the field in short bursts. The alleged trickery is so complicated that FIA technicians will struggle to understand it, which also makes it difficult to prove. What is suspicious is a sudden compliance with the aerodynamic rules for 2019 or the omission of the MGUH in the engines for 2021. In both cases, Ferrari is surprisingly against their own interests and are certainly doing the FIA and Liberty a favor. For the good of the sport and the show. The paddock rumor today is a fear that Ferrari could buy an acquittal with it. As a friend of mine once said, Formula One, being investigated by the FIA is by far the bigger flattery than being copied.